Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss what is trigonometry, meaning of angle, next angle representation, in that what is mean by positive angle, what is mean by negative angle, then we will see types of positive. The word trigonometry stands for tri, gono and metry, which means tri means 3, gono means angle, metry means measurement. So actually in trigonometry we are going to measure what? The triangle. Therefore the word trigonometry means measurement of triangle. So now let us consider one triangle. So here one triangle I am going to consider. Okay, so in this triangle, this is A point, B point and C point. So now this BC length I am going to take it as small letter A, AC length small letter B and AB length I am going to take it as what here? Small letter C. So now in this triangle we can measure the angles. How many angles we can measure? 3 angles we can measure. Angle A we can measure, angle B we can measure, angle C also we can measure, and also we can find length of these sides. We can find the length of how many sides here? 3 sides, that is A, B, C. Therefore these are the 6 things. Okay, these are the 6 things we deal with what here? Trigonometry. So these are the 6 things we deal with the trigonometry, that is 3 sides and 3 angles. So 3 sides and 3 angles. So next, angle. Before knowing what is mean by angle, we should know first what is mean by ray. So for that I am going to consider one point here, and if I draw a line from that point, okay, if I draw one line from this point and it goes indefinitely in one direction, so this is what we call it as what here? Ray. So this is what we call it as what? Ray. Now consider 2 rays. Okay, consider 2 rays. Such a way that 2 rays originate from a single point. So these 2 rays are originate from a single point. Then some measure between 2 rays. Then some measure, this measure between 2 rays is going to call it as what here? Angle. Is going to call what here? Angle. Remember, angle is denoted by what here? Theta. Angle is denoted by what here? Theta. Here this common point is going to call it as vertex. This common point is going to call it as what? Vertex. And these 2 rays are going to call it as what here? Arms. These 2 rays are going to call it as what here? Arm. So this is the arm where the angle is going to start. This is the arm where the angle is going to end. Okay, this is the starting point, this is the end point. Okay, therefore see, angle means an angle is a figure made by 2 rays meeting a common point. So this is what we call it as what here? Angle. So here this is the angle. Angle is denoted by what here? Theta. Here 2 lines are there, 2 rays are there. So this starting ray is called what here? Initial line. This end ray is going to call it as what here? Terminal line. So these 2 lines, okay, meeting point is the same. Okay, and therefore this common point is going to call it as what here? Vertex. Next, measurement of angles. So in that, first one is positive angle. See, positive angle means if an angle is generated by rotating the initial line in anti-clockwise direction, then such type of angle is called what here? Positive angle. Okay, so if I take one initial line, so if I take one initial line means starting line, if I rotate this line in anti-clockwise direction means such type of direction, anti-clockwise direction, then whatever the angles here going to generate, no, all these angles are going to call it as what here? Positive angle. So this is the initial line. So this line is rotating in which direction? This arrow mark indicates which type of direction? Anti-clockwise direction. After rotating in anti-clockwise direction, here whatever the angles are going to generate, all these angles are going to call it as what here? Positive angle. Next, second one, negative angle. If an angle is generated by rotating the initial line in clockwise direction, then such type of angle is called negative angle. Similarly, again, if I take the initial line means starting line, this starting line, if I rotate in clockwise direction like this, if I rotate clockwise direction, here some angles are going to generate, correct? Here some angles are going to generate. All these angles are going to call it as what here? Negative angle. Okay, all these angles are going to call it as negative angle. So in this diagram, so this is the initial line. This arrow mark indicates what? This line is going to rotate in which direction? Clockwise direction. Then here some angles are going to generate. Such type of angles are going to call it as what here? Negative angle. Next, types of positive angle. So in that, first one, acute angle. See, acute angle means an angle has measure less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Okay, less than a 90 degree, whichever the angles are going to come, no, all those angles are going to call it as what here? Acute angle. For example, 30 degree, 60 degree, 10 degree, 75 degree. So all these angles are going to call it as what here? Acute angle. Second one, right angle. An angle has measure equals to 90 degree is called right angle. So this is the example for what? 90 degree means this is the right angle. See, right angle, it covers 1/4 of 360 rotation. So one complete rotation is nothing but what? How much degree? 360 degree. In that 360 degree, it covers how much? 1/4 of 360 rotation. So it measures how much degree here? 90 degree. Therefore 1/4 of a complete rotation is called what here? Right angle. Next, obtuse angle. An angle has measure more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then such type of angles are going to call it as what here? Obtuse angle. See, for example, 120 degree, 160 degree, okay, 170 degree, such type of angles are going to call it as what here? Obtuse angle. Means more than 90 and less than 180 degree. Next, straight angle. An angle has measure equals to 180 degree is called straight angle. So this is the example. So here exactly how much degree it is there? 180 degree is there. So this is what we call it as what here? Straight angle. So it covers half of 360 degree rotation. So it measures how much degree? 180 degree. Therefore half of a complete rotation is called what here? Straight angle. Next, reflex angle. An angle has measure more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree, then such type of angle is going to call it as what? Reflex angle. So here 250 degree is there, so it is more than 180 and less than how much here, 360. So this is reflex angle. So here 310 degree is there, means it is more than how much degree, 180 degree, and less than how much degree here, 360 degree. Then such type of angles are going to call it as what here, reflex angle. Next, complete angle. An angle has measure equals to 360 degree, then such type of angle is called what here, complete angle. One complete rotation is nothing but how much degree, 360 degree, then such type of angle is going to call it as what here, complete angle.